This is what the 3 different spectral patchers that I made sound like. The first one, called Meltoid, has the main spectral gate, some spectral gate settings, a bandpass filter that has a frequency shifter on it, some compression and distortion, some effects before the spectral gate, and then some effects presets for after the spectral gate. Once you have your settings set, you can just turn the spectralize knob up to get more of a spectral sound. You can also get some pretty unique drum sounds out of it. I used it to turn the top drums into the bottom drums here. This one I made 2 out of for some reason. Or you can just get that like classic spectral gate sound out of it. This second rack is called Flow State. It has a spectralized knob as well, and then some input settings, then a couple of effects preset things where if you have these buttons pressed, the spectralized knob not only adds spectralization, but also like some input effects, so it like sends some weirder sounds into the spectralizer. And then a couple of post effects presets, with the exception being here, if they turn blue when you click them, they also change depending on where this is set. Here's an example of me using it to like lush out a pad sound and make it a little more spectral. And here's a different example with some drums. Or if you want to try and get those like aggressive hyper pop Sophie style drums, just put some distortion after. Then, saving the coolest one for last, I have Auto Chain, which is a spectral compressor that basically takes whatever input you have. So this blue beat loop is my input here. I'm going to solo that out using this button so you can just hear what is acting as the sidechain for the spectral compressor. It has an input effects section, so they only affect the thing that's acting as the modulator. And it uses that signal to modulate whatever your carrier is, which in this case is this melodic loop. And you can get a bunch of different tones out of it by changing the FTT size, the speed, and the ratios at which you have upward and downwards compression happening. Then as far as post effect, you have all these different effects here with the yellow ones, meaning that while this random knob is on, it'll randomly modulate some parameters inside of those different little effects knobs. Or if you have a melodic loop that's not plucks and you want to make plucks out of it, just give it an input that kind of has like a plucky texture. So here's my soloed out input, which will give you something like this. Or you can take bass sounds and loops that you have and use one shots to like make new rhythms out of them. And you can get all 3 of these on my Gumroad for $6 or $10 if you get the Patcher generative instruments too. But just know you will have to have Spectral Suite, which is a Andrew Riemann thing. It's free. Go get it if you want it. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.